Okay, here's Dolly cam for wave today. That built our little carriage house. We had them put in a French door so we can either roll things out the little door or roll things out the big door. So we always like to have a dolly available to when we're working on a boat, so we can just kind of move it around as needed. This dolly was copied from the dolly that they used to use at Laser Performance. Called it their finishing dolly. It's worked pretty good. We put articulating bunks so that when the boat's got the flat deck on the downside, the bunks move to a horizontal position. When you flip it the other way with the hull, the V on the hull, they'll articulate in a little bit. So what we did today was we cut the sticks off from the first set of blind patches. Sticks and strings are gone. Sanded that down smooth, and so what you got, a couple of spots here where the strings went into the hull to the cardboard, and woven roving patch that's inside. When I was sanding this area to get it mostly smooth, I actually sanded through the chine right here for an area that I missed. It had just a paper thin bit of fiberglass left on it, not nice and thick like it is here, so I had missed a spot. That's what that boils down to. So we went and sanded the rest of them smooth, just a little bit of surface thick. So here's the one that's under the cockpit. So it's sanded flat. It's not smooth. Still see we've got a little fairing work to do there. If you can get that thick so as smooth as you can, it saves a little bit of sanding, fairing later. And then down on the hull, we've got this transom drain filled. Just got done vacuuming. Get the dust off. We'll give it a wipe down with the brushing thinner. Same product line as the primer I'm going to use. We try to stick with the same product line of thinner, fairing, primer, and paint, so we don't get any mismatches and cottage cheese built up on the hull for mixing the wrong stuff together. This is our 1965 Alcort Sunfish wave, like I keep saying our Skippers.